I'm going to present you the perfect project for the CS50 AI course. I'm going to build a neural network using a dataset that is called GTSRB, short for German Traffic Signs Recognition Benchmark. So it's a data the main function is already done for us, and it's calling two other functions that are the load data to load the data I just showed to you, and the get model to build this neural network using TensorFlow. Um, so for the first function, get data, sorry, load data. Very simple, except two very specific functions that has the the OS module is used here to make this function work in any OS, so either in Windows, Linux, or Apple. This will work thanks to this OS model. And there's also this CVT module. It's to read all of the image and resize them to load, load them after into the list and send it to the neural network. The second function we had to do in this project is the function get model that is using a TensorFlow module, and the idea here is to create a neural network that after is used by the main program. So without further ado, let's check if it works or not. So the target I set to myself here, it's to have an accuracy around 95%, like shown here. And I think my computer is a little faster than what is used here. So I set myself a target for the last epoch of to run it at 5 seconds. So we're already at more than 90% on epoch I8, and hopefully going to reach something around 94% for the last one. Oh, that's a low run, but we managed to. It's very similar to here. So we managed to get 95% on the test sample with last epoch run under the 5 seconds. So all is well. So how did uh, I'm going to spend a little time to how do I arrive to this neural network. So very simply, I started with a model from uh, the handwriting.py model. So I just changed two things. In the input, I changed the input shape, but what was given to us. So this input shape was given to us, so I changed it. And also I changed the output also. That also was given to us in num categories. And without any change, I tried to run this. And the results were very low, only 5% accuracy, but the good news that it was running. So I think with an infinite run of epochs, maybe it will have worked. So the first thing I did was to add a second layer just before the max pooling, and with very great results, I must say. With only one more layer, we were hitting the target of even more. We were around 95% accuracy. The only drawback here is that the drawback here is that the last epoch was running in 15 seconds, so very bad. So the second change I did is to put the additional aftermax pooling that allows us to reach be under the 8 seconds. And finally, I did little change and everything to reach. The two change I did is to change here the number of layer and the number of dropouts at 0.4 to obtain what I showed to you. 90 or even 97% here accuracy. There's a big variability, and under 5 seconds for the last epoch. Thank you very much.